I am trying my hand at a pistachio cake recipe. I'm gonna do 3 layers, 6 inches. And right now I am creaming the butter, half a cup of butter with 1 cup of sugar. Okay, it's been about 5 minutes, and as you can tell, the butter is nice and fluffy and it's pretty white in color. So you want to really cream the butter and sugar together for at least 3 minutes. 5 is, I feel like, the sweet spot. So here I have 2 whole eggs and 2 egg yolks, and I'm gonna just start by adding a little at a time and mixing it in. Okay, the eggs are nicely incorporated, so I'm going in and adding 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Sorry, vanilla paste. And then I'm also going to add the tiniest splash of almond extract. I don't love the almond flavor, but I feel like it's going to bring the pistachio flavor out just a little bit. Okay, that's about a 1/4 teaspoon. In this dry mix, I have 150 grams of all-purpose flour with 1 cup of ground pistachios. I also added 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder and 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. I bake this for about 22 minutes in a 350-degree oven. Follow along for part 2 where I decorate it.